Hello friends and car enthusiasts.
In this video you will see an Audi A4 Allroad TDI bagged on Radi8 Wheels Build. Owner Wrapp in another color, put a lot of wheels, and in the end has Radi8 wheels. It's in final stage, but it's good for inspiration. You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
Searching for higher ground, can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly.
Remember, all these videos on this channel is made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly.
Did you know 1 out of 4 cars are produced in China?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.